You get big, boy. How you looking like your father, so?
Joshua?
How you look like your father, so?
Joshua, don't choke the chicken, you know. You wanna hold the chicken, baby?
You can't throw it down on the ground.
You can't throw it down, you gotta hold it, right? You think you can hold it?
Well, I caught a chicken.
You caught a chicken?
Just like in Rocky.
I know, right? Just make sure you don't choke the chicken though, right?
You wanna hold the chicken?
Look at the turkey.
Yeah, it was following us. We were playing with it and it was following us. You wanna hold the chicken? Oh, Smokey's gone. This is yours by the Henry one.
Oh, what is it? His and hers?
Me one get a chicken.
Daddy, best one?
So, Sylvie, you're not Trini Market? Yes, I don't know if that's Trini Market now because...
Watch my bucket.
Where's Shaguana's Market?
Shaguana's Market, yeah.
Narupa no Shaguana's Market. Don't fall along there, no?
We got Bora, Ori, Sai, Baji, Basil,
Shallot.
Charlotte, Karaili.
Karaila.
So we make market.
So we are underneath this machan, they call it. But check out these babies now. Oh my goodness. So peaceful. Peaceful. So guys, we have these beautiful ladies here. Come to the market. What market this is called, Cindy? Narupa's Market. So Sister Sylvia is picking bhaji. It is called poi bhaji. If you guys don't know what poi bhaji is, it's this big leaf here. And I remember in Trinidad I used to grow wild, and my grandmother used to be picking it to cook it.
Yeah,
Right?
Wow. I wonder if you could do
Guys, this is Sister Sylvie. She's teaching me how to cut the bhaji. Guys, so we just picked.
dal and rice and baji.
So we just picked Karaili. Oh my gosh, so much of Karaili here. Let me show you. Look at that. You have a whole bucket.
A couple months ago.
Was it Narupa?
Blackberry.
What is blackberry?
Those small
Oh,
blackberries.
the fruit.
Yes. See this one dry, obviously.
No, because look at how pretty this boy look here right now. Look how
That's the
cute this boy look.
Yeah.
All the way up.
God make that. We
Yes.
did it. God did that.
You see that, guys?
You see that?
Only
It's
God.
amazing. Only
Yeah.
God. Tomato struggling for us. And this, I believe, was a grapes, like a muscadine grapes they planted here.
Mm-hmm.
And this is strawberry.
Strawberry.
So these are ever-bearing strawberries. They bear a small berry like that, but it grows all year round.
Wow.
And it's sweeter than strawberries, like regular strawberries you get from the market.
Really?
Yeah.
As organic.
Yes. Henry keeps it all organic. We spray neem oil, and then now he bought like an organic clay, and you sprinkle it, and it keeps the bugs away.
You guys see that?
We have a lot of problem with bugs.
So you guys here, this is the farm girl here, and she's telling you to spray neem oil.
Neem oil, that's right. Yes.
Wow. Look how beautiful this place is. Watch where the kids are at, all the way there. The turkeys, the chickens running around. Wow, guys, this is amazing. So this is the Florida life. This is the Groveland life, right, Narupa?
This is the Groveland life.
Grove.
10 acres, a lake.
That's
Best life.
the best life ever.
And put on the boots.
You hear that? Leave the heels and put on the boots.
I love it.
But look at that. Look at the scallions. This is called shallot.
So this is onion.
Oh, onion.
He plant, I don't know. So some are shallot and some is onion. So some of them, if we pull on, we actually get like a onion underneath.
No way.
But I don't know which one is and which. I think this one's onion. Let's see. Nope, still wrong. One of them is onion.
Maybe
Maybe
these.
it's this one.
This one? Oh, yeah.
You can kind of
Oh,
see.
wow.
Yeah. So they were getting like about this big.
Uh-huh.
And
Wanna go in the barrel and let Gavin push you? Gavin said, Leah said, yeah.
That thing is
No, you're gonna fall. Yeah, yeah.
sit on the bottom. I don't know if
It might break.
I don't want to drop it. I don't want to hold it.
Look at that bucket.
oh, you got to share it 3 ways, right?
Sister Sylvie, yeah, make joke there, girl. Guys, so this is what 10 acres look like, okay? It's all there. Look at the turkey. Come, Leah, come. Look how you cute.
There's a
Don't
fat
worry.
turkey.
The fat one?
Yeah.
No. Look at this cute one.
I think I'm a little. Can I hold one?
Oh, the turkey?
Yeah, move the turkey.
Sister Sylvie, they're gonna go in the oven soon. They're gonna go in the oven soon. Yeah, this is so nice. Look. These are the best chicken to eat though. Right? Come here, let's go check out the farm here. The little shed. Watch more duck. So they're roaming all over the place. I'm gonna go see here. Oh yeah?
They go far away.
No. Let me see. Okay, go ahead. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Hey! You talking to me? Watch that. Watch he going. Look at the ducks. Guys, this is the best type of meat to eat. Look.
Oh, they trade now.
They're running. Look, they're gone. Listen, Trish, I am not ready for the pot yet. I'm not ready for the pot. Do you hear that? They say I'm not ready for the pot.
Mom, can you walk me there?
Sure, baby. Oh, shoot. Check them out. Oh, my. Wow. So look at the boys. They are going on the boat to get some fish with Brother Henry. This is so cool. A snake? Oh my gosh, they see a snake. And Elijah is so brave. He's ready. Look at him. Look at him how he's ready, just ready to go. Wow. Florida life. This is really cool.
Can we get turkey?
Huh?
Fisher, you want turkey?
Where you go put that turkey?
You say you can put it in the middle of the bed.
Oh my goodness.
You say when
They have
you
got
feed the Guyanese Christopher Columbus. Hey, Guyanese. Did the Guyanese Christopher Columbus come back?
Kevin scared of the turkey.
Trish, look, you just discovered Arupa.
What? We can fat for fish here, Brother Henry.
Now we can scale it and fry it.
Nice. Scale fish, fat for fish.
So them boys fishing. Trish, so go scale the fish, nah?
Me, I don't even have for Kevin to do.
Kevin?
yeah.
Oh, what, Kevin, what is it?
I only one fish I need to eat.
And they don't have scale?
They don't have scale and they don't have furs.
And they don't have furs?
No, no. They clean
So-
already.
So it's not patwa?
No, it's not patwa.
And neither cascadu?
Neither cascado.
Okay.
It's a salmon.
It's a salmon?
Salmon, yeah.
Salmon.
Yeah.
So Kevin does only eat salmon.
No. It's a salmon, but it'll be
Yeah,
like
what
a
kind of fish you
snapper.
have? A red snapper?
Me? Yeah.
You even get scale.
Listen,
Me ain't getting scale. Hey,
I'm the speaker here.
hey, I got,
I was here, oh God.
yo, I got roll like Brother Pete now. I need the headlights.
I need to Listen, I'm going to Iraq, working with my headlights.
Trish, look, you drop your fish.
Man, tell my head, I don't put it in the head at all. Yes, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I see what
Yo, look, we have Henry Columbus over there. Trish, what Henry Columbus say? Just discovered Narupa. He gone again. So guys, Trish, tell the viewers where we at, honey.
We are at Narupa and Henry's farm
Narupa and Henry Farm in
in
Groveland.
Groveland. Yes.
Where you get fish, you get bhaji, you get karaili or karaila,
Duck, chicken.
duck, chicken, turkey. Please take the turkey.
And hey, and if you're lucky, I drink and some okra.
And drink and some okra. And again, curry chicken or chicken curry.
Hey, and this is Narupa right here. This is Narupa from Narupa Farm.
Narupa farm.
Hey, look your fish jump out.
Listen, I used to pack house and now I catch fish.
What? Patwa.
Yeah.
You
My
see,
dad
so,
is the number one Hassa King.
so who's your father, Narupa?
Dan.
Dan.
Yes.
The Hassa King.
The Hassa King and now he daughter live
I know he data.
Yeah.
No, but wait, Narupa.
Thousands of pounds, girl.
Narupa, now he data at the Patwa King.
Yeah.
Patwa Queen.
Wait, listen, we growing a Hassa mine in here.
Look at this, guys.
Wait for it. When nobody can catch, we're gonna catch.
Look, Narupa, how much Hassa you guys put in there?
Over 100 babies.
Over 100 babies Hassa.
Yes.
So with one throw.
We're not gonna tell you the address.
No.
We're taking it up when we come in here.
Well, listen,
Content right here.
we can have a service right here and pray for the
The Cascadoo, right?
Cascadoo and Hassa to multiply 10 and 24.
Yeah.
No, she said there's no cascade in there.
Listen, fish is fish I eat it.
They call it armored catfish.
Almond catfish. Once it's sweet, we eat it.
Look at them boys. Then catch something. Watch them catch something again over there.
Hey, thank God for Henry. Narupa, thank God for Henry, because I going on that damn boat.
Just because it was him that went over.
Hey, thank God for Henry. Thank God for
But
Henry.
hey, but them boys look like they're having a blast there, no boy. Look at them.
I see they have those mills.
So that's a wind turbine. When it gets cold, it tries to blow away the frost. After thinking this before, yeah?
What he want to do, Sylvie?
He running the chickens. He wants to play with the chicken, but the chicken's scared of him.
They think he's a little bobcat. Oh, look at him. Look how cute he is. Look at him. Look how he vexed because they don't want to play with him. Ah, you know what? I'm going to cook some chicken curry now. Don't worry. Guys, so we have Sister Sylvie cleaning up the patwa. And we are going to fry them. I'm gonna set up the fire over here. We got island everything ready here. Them boys trying to catch some more fish in the pond. Look them there all the way over there. I didn't kill it, Sister Sylvie.
This one still,
It's still,
we're still kind of moving.
it's still
I
moving.
stabbed him.
All right.
Oh, he's still moving too. This thing is cutting good, no?
You think cut him properly?
You need like a scissors.
Did we stab him?
No, that one I stabbed.
I stabbed that one too.
No, you kill him.
All right, I kill him. Huh?
You kill him. He's still alive.
All right, be good now. He's still. All right. Now he did. You see, guys,
Oh my God.
how can the fish get fresher than this? Sister Sylvie,
I know.
how can we get more fresh, more catch, clean, fry?
What is it called, patwa?
Patwa. I should you think I should fire up the fire already?
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet. All right, you let me know.
Trisha, I want to try. The way you
He went back
Trish,
and he put them all because
Trish,
so it was her and her
Trish.
Oh.
Sister Sylvie cleaning up the patwa, and we ready. We're gonna fry them right now.
Oh, wow.
You ready for some fried patwa?
Yep.
You season it?
Yep.
No, just like that, just some salt and black pepper.
I like my fish seasoned.
Oh, you like it seasoned?
Yeah, I like it seasoned and moist.
All right, we're gonna make sure we wash it.
Wash it. Wash it with river water.
Yeah, from the river to the bank.
Exactly.
You don't flavor. You don't
Look, yeah. This girl don't play at all, boy.
Alright, that's
Look
one down.
at
I
that.
hope this
One down,
dead.
2 more to go.
No, two go. He's still alive.
That one's
Dave.
still alive? Alright, stop that one then.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, little fishy.
Sorry, fishy, but you.
But we
food.
hungry. We hungry right now.
You foodie. They're not that big though.
Nah, but if you find that really crunchy,
Yeah.
oh boy. And them boys, let me see what them boys bring. Maybe them boys bringing a few more. Like. Guys, we have Henry Columbus coming in again. Let me see what them boys catch. Trish, we have Henry Columbus coming in again. Let me go see what them boys catch.
Listen, that Henry Clifford Columbus.
Clifford Columbus.
Come, find him.
Yo, fresh catch of the day.
Fresh catch from today.
Guys,
And we got Kevin Kendrick.
guys, guys, guess what we are having for dinner?
What we having?
We are Trish, Trish,
from the Bronx, huh?
Trisha.
But
Guess what we having for dinner?
patwa.
No, fresh catch for the day.
Patwa.
Oh. What you catch? More patwa? All right, Joshua, catch on patwa?
We get 2 of them. All of them get 1.
Nice.
Yeah, get them out. I like to throw them in the front.
That the first patwa you ever catch, Joshua?
I don't know. We're trying to get the other fish.
Let me see it, Josh.
Pull your fish up, Josh.
Hold your fish up.
You guys come out here. I'm going to help you walk up here.
One of the fish got like stuck in between the seats.
I don't know how. It's stuck in between.
All right, come, Josh.
Let's get you.
Let me see, Joshua. Dang, boy. Go get Sister Sylvie. Sister Sylvie cleaning them over there. Okay. She got fried.
I got like. I got 3.
3? All right. So you're going to eat that one, right? Sister Sylvie going to go fry it right now.
Okay.
Let me see yours, Jacob. I need you to take it to Sister Sylvie. She's going to cook it and you're going to have to eat it.
Okay.
You ready to eat it?
Yeah.
All right. So head this way. Take it up the bank. Where's yours, Gavin?
They took mine earlier.
They took yours before?
Yeah, I cut like 3.
Okay, so you ready to eat it?
Of course.
All right. Catch, cook, eat.
It's finished.
Oh, the hook gets stuck, Henry?
No, this fish gets stuck underneath the.
Oh, man. Guys, so because of Uncle Henry, we getting dinner tonight. Fresh catch of the day. Look at us. Henry can take the boys out on the boat.
They had a great time.
They had an amazing time, yes. And Henry, where's the next time? Are we going to have alligator?
Maybe.
If we get lucky?
It depends on what Kevin wants.
Kevin, he said if you want Bambi or you want alligator.
Na alligator, leave my Bambi alone. Leave my Rufus alone. Leave my Rufus alone.
You tell him, Sylvie.
Pete, you're missing out, boy. All the good line and the fish and oh my.
Oh, my mama, look. You're really missing out. Look, Sylvie got your fish in her hand. Right?
I should wait for the headlight.
Yeah, and you didn't even bring the headlight. And you didn't even bring the headlight, boy. Pete, we miss you, bro.
Yeah, we miss Pete.
This is a lot of fun, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sister Sylvie?
Yeah.
Cheers with the fish.
I got cheers, my
Man, all right.
Hey, babe. You can flare up the fire. The mosquitoes are starting to come out. You can flare up the fire.
Damn, good music, good company, good food.
Doesn't get better than that.
How can life get better than this? Hey, boy, how can life get better than this?
I don't know.
You tell me.
This is the best life.
Hey.
The real life. It is.
So this is the Henry from the Henry and Arupa farm.
That's right. Watch the farm right back.
Look behind there, look.
And watch your foot. Watch. This is evidence of a true
You see,
farmer.
I tell you, I come from Blackbush. And now we get Blackfoot.
Yo,
Blackfoot from Blackbush.
yo, me think me gotta tell you, you know, you're farmer Henry.
Farmer Henry Clifford.
Henry Clifford.
Henry Clifford.
You know, Henry tell me he from Pine Hills, but then he tell me he named Clifford.
Now it makes sense.
That makes sense.
Henry Clifford.
And watch Kevin. Kevin, what are your middle name?
Kenrick.
Kenrick.
Kevin Kenrick. I was named after my mother boyfriend while she was married.
Oh, my mama.
So,
Oh, my mama. Hey, cheers for that.
somewhere we black.
I turn it down, yeah.
Oh, man, look at this. Look at the fire. Fire. All right, so Sister Sylvie cleaned up all the fish already.
Yes.
And now she frying. Now we finally gonna have
Fried fish.
fry fish.
What do you call this?
Patwa, fry patwa.
We all had a hot bucket.
Oh yeah, the breeze, guys. The breeze blow and out we fire, and I'll get little coal. So now we heating up back this aisle. Oh, so what happened, Sylvia? You gotta go pee? No. What kind of walk is that? I feel like you squeezing, you know. You squeezing and walking. Like you going in the bush or I don't know if you're heading to the house or the bush. Oh yeah, now the breeze start, now the breeze even out and we fire.
Yeah.
It blow it back? lighten it, lighten. This is we dinner, guys. This is we dinner. And we have Trisha, Kendrick, and Lamar. Somebody hunting for egg over there? Damn, them boys hunting for egg. Let me go see, boy. Joshua, were you guys looking for eggs? Huh? Huh? One of the chicken is missing?
Yeah.
Which one?
White boy.
A white chicken? Oh, so the guy's hunting for the chicken. The chicken is missing. So I guess we gotta go see, make sure the alligator didn't get them. Trish, them boys say one of the chicken missing, they're looking for it. Then say one of the chicken missing, they're looking for it. Yep. Yep. I think you need more fire there, Sylvie.
Yeah, we turn it up. The wind.
Is it wind? Huh? The chicken missing, yeah. They say one of the white chicken missing.
Check the neighbor.
Check the neighbor, check the neighbor. Leah, hold on, girl, hold on. Henry, let me see where you got. Let me see where you got. Henry. Narupa, Narupa, get him, get him. Woo! 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 Henry, Henry, come on, boy. So guys, look what we had to do here. We had to put a zinc. We had to put 2 chairs to black because the breeze keep out and we fire. And this is the only way we're gonna get dinner. Because brother Henry is strictly on you eat what you catch.
That's right.
Yep, you eat your
what you
catch.
catch.
You don't catch nothing, you go hungry for the night.
If Rudolph the there, if we catch you, guess what?
Hey.
If I catch my ass, I eat my ass.
Well, right now that's what we catching. What the ass is this? I hate cooking, trying to catch fish, trying to cook food, and look where my wife did. All you see the beauty about married in a Trinidadian woman was. She working real hard.
Guys, this is the life. Cindy is rocking me. I'm by the lake, chilling.
How can life get better than this?
Can't get better than this. I'm enjoying my feet is up. Yeah, look at her. Look at Cindy.
You look like you live in the dream, girl. So what we gonna roast there, Henry?
Them kid want marshmallow.
Marshmallow. So we're gonna do some marshmallow in a little bit
Yeah,
then.
some chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Make some s'mores for them, man. Make them happy, you know.
Exactly, exactly.
Give them the full Florida experience.
The full package.
That's right.
This is what you get when you come to
Clean and
Florida.
cook, s'mores, everything.
Oh yes.
Pick some Karila, you're happy, man.
You have Karila, s'mores, and fried fish. What more you want?
How far Brazil is from Guyana?
Right now, with that boat we got there, I bet you we can reach. Yeah, what do you think he went to catch fish?
Guyana.
Yeah, he almost catch a gilbaca, but he had to release.
Oh,
So he was catch and release.
catch and release. Baji, hey, bhai.
Yeah.
When we was by him, I called Mambara. I said, here, talk to him. On YouTube, no God. Really watch everybody.
I'm gonna tell you a story just now.
Watch his Baji, hey, bhai. Chow Rai, aka Kalulu.
Look at this, guys. This is fresh. Fresh. But you know what I like most from this whole bundle? You know which one?
Which one?
The married man poke.
Oh, because you was a married man.
Oh man, but good. Look guys, how can life get fresher than this? Look at this Karila, watch. This master for some kalaunji. Are you make some kalaunji, Henry?
Yeah, we just make kalaunji and roofing off and make them good.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
sweet, man. You fry up some shrimp and thing, stuff them inside. Nice, man. Good stuff.
I like the setup you got over there though, bro.
Yeah.
That's really, really nice.
In like a couple more weeks, everything will come in more full, man. We get squash, Karila, we get bhaji, okra, baigan. We get a whole lot of stuff.
So we are calling this place the secret Narupa and Henry farm. But it's a secret, we can't tell everybody. Because then they will come catch out your hassa and thief your aji. You know how the Guyanese people stay.
That's right.
But thank you for having us, bro. This has been a lot of fun, man.
Love, bro. Love.
One love, one
Yeah,
love.
man.
So Sister Sylvie got the fish ready. Sister Sylvie, I hear your fish ready.
But this fish ready only for me.
Gotta get it like first.
You gotta get it like first.
Look, but look who's holding the headlight right now.
Assistant.
Why is that Kev? You're the assistant manager right now.
Assistant.
Guys, look, so look, we fry fish. This is fresh catch of the day. From the pan to the pot. Trish! Come, I gotta try this fish. From the pan to the pot. Fish! Come now, man. Come now, man. Joshua! Come try fish.
Hey. Take up Devin. Boy. DJ. Wow.
Whoever catch fish, I come in.
Come. Lord, you pray for the fish. Sabay to the God. I give it to our bodies in Jesus' name. Make the fish and get back. Come. Right there. Take a piece. Good. He's out. You can put the chicken with you like that. Yes. That? Oh wow.
You hot? Stretch.
Hey, hot boy.
Uh,
Hey, he's that guy. He's the bone boy. Oh,
Joshua, doesn't want you catch. I feel like I need a jar, eh, boy.
I need that jar big time.
You want one, baby? Take one. Take one. Oh, that one? On the head?
Joshua, let me know how the fish tastes. Gavin, doesn't want you catch?
I don't know.
Let me hear.
Josh, that's the fish you catch? Make sure you marry that fish, eh? There's only one fish you can
You know,
have.
it's never too early to learn how to eat fish. You gotta be careful with the bone.
Love.
How is it?
Good.
Gav, how is the fish? Oh God, the bone choking
Too
in.
Yo, hey, don't worry, that happens. It happens
Listen,
sometimes.
it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. Hit it back, hit it back.
Please know that word.
Oh,
It's okay.
What is this one?
So guys, you see, we have these boys catching the food to eat. If they didn't catch nothing, they couldn't eat tonight.
But wait, hold on, Dave. Listen, there's only 2 sons.
Yep,
Big
yep.
sons.
Hey,
Take the fish first.
so hey, this is the first time you guys eat your catch. So you guys are becoming men tonight.
Yes. Yes.
You guys, yeah.
Have here and I'll have.
Yeah. As long as you learn how to eat fish, you're becoming a man. Because that bone can choke you.
But hold on, look, Asha eating fish too, boy.
Oh, wait. Yeah, be careful with the bone, right? No, I think you're eating this one, isn't it?
No, this one eat him.
Eat this one, man.
That's
You eat the
okay.
eye? Let me see the eye.
Oh God, now you can pitch it ball even further.
Oh, boy.
Now your son, though.
How is the eye?
How is
Is
the
that
eye?
right?
The eye tastes essential.
Essential.
It is essential.
Huh?
Meat.
Uh-huh.
Now eat
Oh,
meat,
that one,
meat.
this one is butterfish, honey, yeah. Just be careful with the bone, okay?
Daddy, you want to try?
Sure.
Dave, this is the second fish you're eating
You like it?
For the day.
for the day. Okay.
Listen, life can't get more fresh than this. Cheers. David.
Rosa. Now you see how we eating it? Pick up that bone.
Jacob,
Yeah, right there.
it's your turn, bud.
Eat the meat.
That's the fish you catch, boy.
It's sweet. Put it in place right here.
So you see, tonight you become a man. You eat, you catch. Wherever you catch, that's what you eat.
Once you fish it, that Christian be good.
Look, damn, the fish get good customer, boy.
Right, but
The man get marshmallow and chocolate. Hey, that's the next stage.
Oh, now it's marshmallow time.
Yeah, watch it.
I'll let you eat dinner first.
Oh, but this is the dessert, marshmallow. Look at this. Guys, so we are doing this to teach the boys how to catch their food, and then they get dessert.
Right. You can put hair on them chest.
You can put some hair on their chest. Look. This is how you eat fish, what? Look at that. Boys would be boys.
You having fun, Elijah?
Oh, look at Jacob.
Bite,
Look.
bite.
All right. So guys, make
Josh,
sure.
you eat.
Guys, make sure you teach your son how to eat fish.
Go the bad way. Take out the bone, take out the bone.
Hey, bone does always get stuck. So don't worry about it. Just bring it up and try again.
So we're picking it up, bad?
Yep.
Right.
Yep. Take your time, you can't rush it.
You have to make sure it's seasoned good, right? It's Is season good?
I season good.
Huh?
DJ Pleasure.
Yeah, look.
What that is? Yeah, but this is how you do this, boy. This is how you do this. He don't play. My boy don't play right here. That's how you eat.
Listen, I Henry Jr. right there.
Oh yeah.
Henry Jr. right there.
I did. I got a little bit for her.
What are you doing, babe?
We were roasting marshmallows to go.
Oh, them boys roasting marshmallow.
Ready for you, baby. Put the clothes in, come on. Oh, you're fun ahead.
That's why you don't go close to the father. Find your father.
Oh, God. Oh, you get.
When I get Guyanese stop, then you can eat it.
Put it like what you're trying. Let's go, JJ. Asha, come on this side. You're good. I can't go in hell though. I don't like the heat, boy.
You might request AC.
I need AC and heat, boy. You can go in. Again. Put it.
Yeah, let's move it.
Come, Josh, put it.
You can't go in hell.
I can't go
Can you
in hell.
imagine that? Can you imagine that?
No, I can't.
This is what will happen.
No.
No, as Kevin said, you request for some AC.
Jesus said, no, yes, see?
I would say, Lord, you love me. Oh, give me some AC if I put my hand on.
Yeah, I think I'm melting.
You're melting?
I'm melting.
You're melting?
Yes.
Soft?
Oh, it's so rose.
Hold up. Put it inside. Look, go to Uncle Henry.
Who make the curry? Who make the curry?
Me.
Look, guys,
Clear.
we got Guyanese curry.
He trained me, right?
Uh-huh.
He trained me.
Who make the jerk chicken?
Me.
She seasoned it, I cooked it.
Yeah, she's that one big plate, man.
I know, let me eat.
Yeah, boy, you not make joke there, boy. This girl not make joke. How you doing there, cuz?
Dude, the food is so good.
I know we said we were supposed to eat what we catch, but I didn't know Narupa and Henry had a
know, I
surprise.
was hiding the food.
This girl is hiding food as well.
Catch some of this at Halal 360.
Halal 360. Hey, I thought this was Guyana style, you know, you hide your food. How you guys doing over there? How you doing there, Josh? You good? All right. Hey guys, we want to thank Brother Henry and Narupa for having us. Yes. We had an awesome time. Everybody got pulled in them belly for this picture. Awesome food, awesome friends, awesome family. Thank you guys for having us.
Thank you.
Bye.